Assalamualaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is this? Goat. 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 Grapes. Yummy. Grapes बहुत मज़े के होते हैं ना, मुझे बहुत पसंद है, आपको भी ना. Grapes. Gun. Gun. बच्चे अपनी ईदी से ख़रीदते हैं गन. Grapes. What is the initial sound of grapes? G. G grapes. G gun. G goat. And what is this? G. Go around, up, down, curve. Let's match the picture with the sound. G caterpillar. No. G gun. Yes. G goat. Yes. G octopus. No. G orange. No. Then match the gun and goat with G. See you later. Allah Hafiz.